Hi everyone, welcome back to this video on how to customize the appearance of the Blazor HeatMap Chart component using bubbles. In this video, I will explain you on how to customize the heatmap's default cell appearance with circular bubbles. I will also show you the different bubble types like color, size, sector, and size and color. First, I'll open an existing Blazor application where I have placed a Blazor HeatMap chart bound to a JSON data source. To see how to get started with the Blazor HeatMap Chart component, refer to the video attached in the card above. To know how to bind data to the HeatMap Chart component using different binding methods, refer to the video attached in the description below. I will run this application to show the initial output. Looking here, the HeatMap Chart component is rendered with the defined data source. By default, heatmap cells are rendered in a rectangular shape. You can customize the appearance of the cells using the tile type property. To do that, I define the heatmap cell settings tag and set the tile type property to bubble. See, the heatmap cells are rendered as bubbles of the same size and different colors. Here, data variations are represented by colors. Apart from this default color type, bubbles can also be rendered in different types. They are size, sector, and size and color. Now, I will show you how to render the heatmap chart using the sector bubble type. I define the bubble type property and set its value to sector. Check now, the heatmap chart is rendered with the same sized bubbles, but in different sectors. Here the sector of the bubble decides the magnitude of the data point. The sector will be larger for higher data points. Next, I will modify the bubble type to size and color. Notice, the bubbles are rendered with different sizes and colors based on the data point values. By default, the lower data points are represented by smaller bubbles, and the higher data points by larger bubbles. If you would like to display larger bubbles for lower data points and vice versa, use the is-inverse bubble size property. To demonstrate, I define the is-inverse bubble size property and set its value to true. Notice, the lower data points have larger bubbles, and higher data points have smaller bubbles. In this video, you have seen how to customize the appearance of the heatmap chart using bubbles. You have also seen the different bubble types like color, sector, and size and color. If you would like to see a working example, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also provided a link where you can see if you qualify for a free license key to use our Blazor products through our community license. If you found this video useful, do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.